Hi guys, in this video I want to create the Fouji Mountains, a landscape mountain. Look at this. We have some trees, foliage, rocks, and a snowy mountain. Okay, we only have to create this huge forest and a huge landscape mountain. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor. After that, go to games, select third person as template. Set project name Fouji Mountain. Hit create. Okay, now let's go here to the file, create new level. Click here, empty level, hit create. After that, we have to save current level. Name it Fouji. Go to landscape mode, port height map file, choose the Fouji Mountain height map. After this, we have to set up the speed of the camera. Hit import. Now go to the window, environment light mixer, create skylight, directional light, sky atmosphere, volumetric cloud, create height fog, and finally enable the volumetric fog. Okay, this is the Fouji Mountain at the first look. Now let's add a material for this Fouji Mountain. The height map, the link in the description. Let's go here to add, go to Fab, search for MW landscape, auto material, download this and add it to my project. It takes some time to download. After downloading this, let's search for trees. Spruce tree. Filter price, set price to free. I want to use this. Temperate vegetation spruce forest. Add to my project. Choose the previous final version. Now let's go right here and search for grass. Price for free. Choose this wild grass. Add to my project. This one. And this mixed grass. Okay, I think we are done from importing all the materials. Let's return here to selection mode. Save all. Now let's add my Fouji Mountain material. MW landscape auto material, landscape. Okay, click here and here. Select landscape. Return right here. Once it's selected, press this button. To add the material to the landscape. It takes some time because the material, the height map is heavy. Okay, fine. We are done of creating my Fouji Mountain. Let's add my character right here. Let's start. Okay. Okay, this is the Fouji Mountain. Okay, let's add some trees right here. Let's return right here and let's go here. The foliage. Fab. Not grass. This one. And go right here. Search for static mesh. Okay, let's choose some trees. One of this. Drop the foliage right here. Okay. Let's begin the foliage. What's the problem? Control Z to deselect all of them and select one of them here. Deselect the others. Density 1 tree. Brush size. Okay. Okay, now let's choose the other one. Deselect this. Choose this for example. Control Z. Okay, one trees. Make the same thing. The scale X 0.8 to 1.3. Make the brush size right here. Let's cover all of those spaces. The Fouji Mountain is a bigger mountain. Look at this, it's very huge. Okay, now those one and one. Okay, I think we are done and let's see the works. The work. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching. We are finished from creating this Fouji Mountain. Certainly. Okay, see you later in the next tutorial. Subscribe to the channel. Hit like, comment, and